Hi, welcome to My News. My name is Patricia Ferguson. Welcome back to a study in the Word with Apostle Burke. Apostle, I am so excited about having you back again
Awesome.
today.
I'm grateful to be here.
Well, let me tell you something. Last week, created, made, and formed. I think we kicked it out of
Yes.
the ballpark.
Definitely We went
We went
in.
in, you said we went deep.
Yes, definitely.
Now, Apostle, you gave my newsreel family an assignment last week.
Right. We would say we're going to discuss the Beatitudes. Of
Oh,
course, we won't be able to go through all of them, but we'll
ooh.
start at just 1 and 2 in chapter 5. We'll deal with that.
Okay, chapter 5. Are
The
you ready to dig
first,
in? Are you
yes,
ready?
yes,
Are
yes.
you
Let's
ready?
go there.
Let's do this.
Before we go to 5, though, let's kind of go to 4 and kind of segue into it.
Okay.
We'll start at Matthew chapter 4, and we're going to start at around verse 12, which this is right after Satan tempts Jesus, and we're going to tie right into around this time when John the Baptizer is put in prison, and we take it from there, which would be Matthew chapter 4, verse 12. That's Matthew
And that's
chapter
in the New
4.
Testament.
Yes, of course. Yeah, yeah.
Well, Apostle, I'm just hopeful that we got some newcomers that are not as familiar as we are. So that is considered the New Testament.
Right,
And it's the fourth chapter of the New Testament. And it's
right,
the fourth chapter, 12th verse.
right.
Verse, is that right?
4:12, exactly.
4:12. Okay, everybody. Now,
Right.
I'm assuming our newsreel family did their homework.
Of course they did.
Family, did you do your homework? I
Of
hope you
course.
did. If you didn't, you
Of
can
course
cheat a
they
little.
did.
You can listen to
Yeah.
us and then go back and study. Okay, walk us
Right.
through this, Apostle.
Again, we are. This is chapter 4 of Matthew, and number 4 represents fruitfulness. And we find it at the onset of that chapter there, when Jesus is tempted by the devil, the tempter, and Satan. And we fast forward right to verse 12, and it says, "Now when Jesus heard that John had been put in prison, he departed to Galilee, and leaving Nazareth, he came and dwelt in Capernaum, which is by the sea, in the regions of Zebulun." Now, this city Zebulun, that word that means dwelling. Very important that you grab that. That city, that region of Zebulun, the word means dwelling.
Mm,
And it goes on to say, and Naphtali, and that word means wrestling,
mm,
to wrestle. Okay, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken by Isaiah the prophet. Right here we're seeing Jesus fulfilling prophecy.
mm.
Isaiah the prophet saying, "The land of Zebulun and the land of Naphtali, by the sea, by the way of the sea, beyond the Jordan, Galilee of the Gentiles, the people who sat in darkness have seen a great light." Notice there, light is lowercase. "And upon those who sat in the region and the shadow of death, light has dawned." And you see light there. It's capitalized. Very important. Light has dawned, and that represents Jesus. The capital L for light. And then it says, "From that time," very important that you underline that word, time. Because when we see right here, "and from that
There was a
time,"
shifting right there.
this is what we call a portal.
Mm,
This is a portal. This is a gate. This is a door into a new realm of what God is about to do.
mm,
It says, "and from that time." Then it says, "Jesus began." That's a whole nother beginning. It's like that's an alpha place. That's a portal. It's an opening that's about to take place here. "And from that time, Jesus began to preach and to say, repent." That word repent is another portal, because we're going to a whole nother door now. Your mindset has to go from one place to another. Repent means have a change of mind, to be godly sorrowful. But the key to it is to have a change of mind. It's a shift taking place here, which is another portal. So we have here time and the word repent. "For the kingdom of heaven is at hand," or is near, or is here. And that's, and from there, we'll fast forward now to Matthew 5. The reason why I set that stage there, because now we fast forward, because he says, "Repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand." He began, from that point, he began to preach. Underline that word preach, which is to proclaim, publish, and herald.
So, in other words, it sounds like you're saying is that he was demonstrating that before you could even think about the Beatitudes,
Mind, your mind.
before you can even begin to go down that pathway, that there are some things that you just have
That's right.
to do.
Your heart has to be shifted. There has to be a shift in the
Ah.
heart and mind to even grasp what's about to take place next. And we also find in, we can just do your homework on this, go back in Matthew 3, you'll find John the Baptizer. he's the forerunner of Jesus' ministry. He also says, repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand. He's the forerunner to Jesus' ministry. Now, this is the Galilean ministry here at Matthew 4. So we fast forward now into 5. Now, in between 4 and 5, Jesus is doing some healings, a great multitude, people are getting healed, and it's very important that you understand that part. So by the time we get to 5, the chapter of grace, it opens up and says, and seeing the multitudes, key word there, the multitudes, he went up on a mountain. Mountain represents a high government. Okay? And when he was seated, his disciples came to him. Notice it didn't say the multitudes. He got away from the multitudes. They were mostly interested in the fish and the loaves, or I would just like to say that the gifts and the things that he did as far as the healing. But he said, and seeing the multitudes, he went up on a mountain, and when he was seated, key word there, seated, his disciples came to him. Then he opened, that's another portal. He opened his mouth and taught them, saying, the first beatitude is verse 3. Blessed are the poor in spirit. Key word there is in. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. And we're going to unpack that from right there. Now,